Alright, what's up guys? This is Taylor. I'm doing the free video for Wednesday, October 2nd. And Apple here, I think, might be fixing the busted move. We've got a squeeze on the 3-day time frame, the 2-day time frame, the daily time frame, 4-hour, 15-minute, and 5-minute time frames. That translates to Apple's building up a lot of energy and potentially at some point could be gearing up for a nice move. From there, if we anchor to the daily squeeze, for now at least, I think the odds are favored the squeeze fires to the upside. Good trend, good structure, we've got the big 3 buy signal, we have the perfect score at 12, and that all makes for an A+ setup. There is a call wall here at 230. That might be the bigger level to break. Through 230, I think that squeeze takes you towards 235, 240. A little bit bigger picture. If they can get to the point where they shift momentum here on the 3-day squeeze, if the 3-day squeeze fires, then you're looking for a path towards 245, maybe 250. In the short term, I'm going to anchor to that daily squeeze, and potentially as early as tomorrow, buy a few calls for the week of earnings, probably buy the 230, 235, and see if the old Apple can't get to pushing here. Now, if Apple's going to catch a bid, as always, will require a good market behind it. And I think for the most part, QQQ holds up really good here. Pulls back to our 21 EMA, and we got the buy signal, perfect score at 12, and then a 4-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute squeeze. Mighty interesting. Pulls back to a daily buy zone, and then from the inside out, a lot of good squeeze action. I think into tomorrow, Friday, that makes our job pretty straightforward. Above that 21 EMA, if they fire the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute hourly squeeze to the upside, that could all kick off a pushback towards our highs around 490, 495. 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour squeezes break short. Under that 21 EMA, then I do think room for a bigger flush. So that is that, my good friends. Keep an eye on Apple. Multi-squeeze setup, along with a multi-squeeze setup here in the Qs. They shall go hand in hand. As always, thank you for watching, have a great night, and we'll talk to you all in the next one. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.